Today we're going to be looking at the best workload for image editing right now, open source. Essentially, I would say that this is a good benchmark for most image editing generators, and the compute style, right, is going to represent other open source models that come out. So this is a good reference bench, but let's look at the results. Let's see essentially what we got. So as you can see, the B300, the Beast, recently came out. You know, it just has all the specs. Now, would I say that the gain in speed outweighs the cost? And I would say it just depends on your workload, right? I would say for uh, this type of essentially workload, you would want to stick to the lower VRAM cards because you don't need 288 gigabytes of VRAM for this type of workload. And then your time multiple is going to be a lot lower. So I would say the speed gains don't like double the speed from the B200 versus 2.6 to 1.4 on actually the H100 I think is cheaper than the 6000 because 96 gigabytes of VRAM, 80. So essentially something like this where your VRAM limit's met with a ton of context and speed, and you see that basically you're paying for VRAM as you go up. I mean, you're not getting that much speed to where the economics change of renting that more expensive cloud GPU. So hopefully, okay, it requires 26 gigabytes. That's what it is. So 26 gigabytes. I know there's 40 gigabyte cards on modal. RunPod's gonna have a ton of 40 gigabyte cards. So this is basically the speed index showing you that essentially the differences in speed right now are not that crazy, even with the B300. It's mostly the VRAM and the size of the model that you're working with when it comes to getting the best value doing AI workloads. So I thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one.